The built environment is growing at an increasing pace. As competition grows, so too does the need for improved productivity. A solution that will facilitate this is Building Information Model, or BIM. BIM is a digital model in 3 dimensions that simulates not just the design, but also the construction and operation of a building project and facility.
BIM, which harnesses the power of information technology, it not only allows building professionals to develop and amend design and project plans more quickly, but also greatly reduce costs and allow the various disciplines across the entire construction value chain to work together.
We are very concerned about the environment and sustainable design and how we actually use this tool together with other platforms, other softwares, to be able to really critically assess total building performance.
BIM has delivered enormous benefits to Arup. It's enabled us to deliver projects of complex geometry and complex forms that we just would not have been able to do 10 or 15 years ago, which not only benefits us in terms of producing a coordinated and integrated design, but also that benefit passes on to our clients.
Now, in normal design, the M&E guy gets to do the thing last, and he has very little room to move. However, when you move to a BIM environment, you are then able to work concurrently together with the other disciplines. And you can go in and start defining your zones for your mechanical electrical equipment. The quantity surveyors can use it to measure the equipment, the materials and the objects that needs to go into the building. So the contractor can use it to make sure that all those bits and pieces will fit together properly. And then you can also do trending. You can check on what are the things that needs to be done more frequently, or maybe you can cut back on certain levels of maintenance, thereby saving costs.
Our engineers today uses the model to interpret and devise how to best build the construction projects. These changes in the work processes allow us to be able to detect crashes and discrepancy right from the beginning of the project.
Our engineer and architect work closely together using BIM. By so doing, we improve the productivity and quality. For example, the work of 2 designers now can be done by 1 designer. We like to make BIM as our standard for our designers.
As a developer, we can see how the design of a building evolves before it is built using BIM. BIM allows us to make changes to the building form, layout, and even the materials at early stages, thereby reducing risk and variation costs. BIM complements and facilitates CDL's push in buildable designs, which is for sustainable construction, quality and safety. We believe BIM will significantly enhance our productivity and business sustainability in the long run.
BIM offers a platform and technology for fostering integration and productivity of the so-called cradle-to-grave construction industry. It is therefore imperative that graduating students be knowledgeable and attain this skill to face the challenges that the construction industry must meet in creating value, attaining sustainability, and optimizing resource efficiency.
Despite being a new platform, it's still easy to use, user-friendly, and it saves a lot of time.
One of the benefits of BIM is allow us to come up with many design variations because there are many parametric functions inside.
Many companies have already begun incorporating BIM as part of their workflow and seeing the results.
This is why the government has recognized BIM as a critical tool in our productivity drive and committed funds to help companies set up and develop BIM expertise locally.
The Center for Construction IT is involved is the gateway to BIM expertise and resources. local firms can look to the CCIT for help in setting up BIM and get funding assistance via the CPCF to lower the cost of adoption. BIM is not the way of the future, but a valuable addition to standards today. Give yourself that competitive edge with BIM. Visit our website for more details.